This assembly video can be used to assemble the NCW2280, NAW2280, NAC2280, and the NCC2280. Begin by attaching the left side frame and the front left leg to the left side of the seat using 4 2-inch screws. While tightening screws on the underside of this assembly, you can use the provided 4mm hex key. For quicker assembly, you can use a drill and 4mm hex bit in conjunction with a right-angled drive attachment or a flexible extension. Repeat this step to attach the right side frame and the front right leg to the right side of the seat. Attach all braces in between the legs using 2.5-inch screws as shown. Please note that the brace with the POLYWOOD medallion should be attached to the back legs of the side frames as shown. Secure the back piece to the side frames using 2 2-inch screws. Next, attach the adjustable back bar to the back piece using 2 1.5-inch flat-tip screws. Make sure the screws are not over-tightened during this step. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.